Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. We are starting off Souptember with a hearty, filling barley and leek soup with some chicken meatballs. Now to get started, you want to heat a tablespoon of butter in a large pan. Whilst your butter is melting, you want to slice up 3 leeks. Using the white and light green parts, you want to discard the tougher, darker leaves. Then you want to mince 3 garlic cloves and add to the butter once it is melted. Then you want to saute your leeks for around 5 minutes until nice and soft. While the leeks cook, you want to slice 250 grams of mushrooms. I went for brown, but white will do, of course. And how you slice them is completely up to you. I like the look and the texture of larger slices of mushroom in soups, but if you want to go smaller and dice them up, that is completely up to you. Now, also you can wash your mushrooms, but I mostly just check for dirt and brush off any before slicing, and then just add to the pan with the leeks and cook for a further 5 minutes until the mushrooms have softened. Now to start the base of the soup, you want to add 60 ml of white wine and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and then stir to coat your vegetables and let the alcohol evaporate off the wine. This should take around 3 to 4 minutes. Then you want to add in 400 grams or 2 cups of pearl barley along with 2 liters or 8 cups of broth or water and stock cubes. And then bring to a boil, reduce to a simmer, and then you want to cover this and let it cook for around 45 minutes or until the barley has swollen and gotten nice and tender. Now this can take quite a while and it will absorb a lot of the water. Now whilst your soup cooks, you want to make your chicken meatballs. You want to start by preheating your oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit, and then combine 500 grams or a pound of ground chicken, 60 grams or half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 30 grams or a quarter of a cup of dried breadcrumbs, a small bunch of well minced flat leaf parsley. Now you want this to be well minced so this doesn't affect the texture too much. And then 1 tablespoon of tomato paste is just a nice binder for this. And then of course salt and pepper for seasoning. Now in the bowl, the mixture will be quite sticky, so you just want to make sure you get this a good mix. Don't worry about adding any more breadcrumbs or anything. This is supposed to be a sticky meatball. Then just to shape the meatballs, I got around 20 by using my shaping method, which is just take some of the meatball mix in your hand, lightly squeeze, removing the excess extruded between your index finger and your thumb, and then just shape into a ball and then place on a lined baking sheet. Now you want to bake your meatballs for around 10 to 12 minutes or until the middle isn't pink. I just set my oven on a timer for 12 minutes and let the meatballs rest in the oven whilst the soup was cooking to keep them nice and warm. Once the soup is cooked, add the meatballs and stir. Now if the barley has absorbed a lot of the water, you want to add in a few more cups or 500 ml of stock. This will also make your soup go further. And then you want to season with salt and pepper to taste. Garnish with a good 20 grams or a good bunch of well minced fresh flat leaf parsley again. And then it is ready to serve. Now if you do want to make this soup vegetarian, you can easily just use vegetable stock instead of chicken stock, and you can take out the meatballs. Personally, I found this soup was absolutely amazing without the meatballs, but by adding them it gave the soup a nice extra texture and a great addition to the soup. And that wraps up week 1 of Souptember. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, let me know down below with a like and a comment. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe for free weekly cooking content. And I will see you all again next week. Thanks for watching.